Are you looking for ways to earn money online? Look no further. In this video, we'll share with you 8 genuine methods to make money from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. Method number 8, stock market trading. Learn about investing and trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex on platforms like eTrade or Robinhood. With careful research and analysis, you can make money by buying low and selling high. Method number 7, virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and professionals need assistance with tasks such as email management, social media, and data entry. Offer your organizational skills and become a virtual assistant through platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Zertual. Method number 6, online surveys. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion. Sign up for survey websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks and get paid for sharing your thoughts. It may not make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn some extra cash. Method number 5, content creation. If you have a passion for creating videos, podcasts, or writing, platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and Medium allow you to monetize your content. Build a loyal audience and earn income through ad revenue or direct support. Method number 4, affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products you love to earn a commission for every sale you generate. This can be done through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Method number 3, online tutoring. If you have expertise in a certain subject, utilize platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell online courses. From language lessons to math tutorials, the possibilities are endless. Method number 2, dropshipping. With e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, you can set up an online store without the hassle of inventory. Simply source products from suppliers, and when a customer orders, the supplier ships it directly to them. You earn a profit without ever handling the products. Method number 1, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to showcase your skills and connect with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, you can offer your services and get paid for your work. So there you have it, 8 genuine and worldwide methods to make money online from anywhere in the world. Whether you want to escape the 9-to-5 grind or earn some extra income on the side, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.